Keep that leg, keep that leg. Keep that leg. Drive into him, hold. Turn in, step over.
Step over, Chris.
Right leg, step over. Hips down. Hold.
Hold it.
Hold, head up. Ah. Work. Look where we're at. Hey, good job.
You like that pace, Christian? This is the same guy I beat at practice? There's no way.
Head up. First move. Finish that. Good. Peek out was there. Up. Fight the hands. Build up. Hey, shoulder down. Left shoulder down. Walk your fingers. Don't go. Walk your fingers. Yep.
Nice.
Under. It's all right. Elevate. Hip. Elevate. Use your other hand. Use your hand. Forklift. Like a forklift. Keep driving it up. Elevate that. He's high. Head hunt. Now,
He's high.
Knees together. Yes. Now build. He's high.
He's high.
It's all right. Keep that leg down. Fight the hands, keep that leg down. Knees together. Reach your knees together and work. Knees together. Get to that right hip, yes.
I hit that move on all day at practice.
Left hand, yes. Elevate. Hey, swim over.
He's
Right
choking
hand,
him.
Swim over. Head up. Hold. Drive. Head up.
Get your head out.
Good. Hold. Just wait. Hey. Just work to get up top. Okay? That was good.
Coach.
Hey.
But with that move, you gotta be like particular with it. Because if you do it right here, that's costing you choking them. Right here, that's also costing you choking. We have to hit it like directly on the chin with that call. Follow. Suck him back.
Hold up, head up, up your knees. Head, hold
it.
Head up, sit on your butt. Don't roll.
Oh, he rolled with it.
Hard over, good.
Head on him.
Up, hey, work to get up. Watch the cradle, good. Hand over your head, good. Now keep that.
Run it.
Other way, hold. Hey, get your feet, get your face. Tripod up. No, let it go.
Christian.
Work up. Fight the hands, watch the bulldog.
Hold it.
Hold. Head up. Go to your stomach.
Get out.
Hey, look where you're at. Fight the hands. Build up. Sit out series. Big one. Peek out. Peterson. Hey, fight the hands. Circle out. Tripod up. Circle to your left. To your right. Yes, that way. Get your hand back.
Christian, you can't let him turn you.
Hey, watch the top. You gotta fight the hands down there. Build up. Head up. Fight the hands. Feel the fingers. You gotta get up. Keep that. Hey, up. Sit out. Locking hands.
Nice.
Hey, Jalomo.
Christian.
Hey. Back.
Hey guys, let's keep these areas between the mats clear. Keep them clear, please. I'm watching it.
Up. 2 feet.
Up.
Cut away.
I'm watching it on tunnel, and mat 2 and mat 1 are pretty
You're
locked.
fine, you're fine, you're fine.
So let's do a favor, please, and let's either take a knee if you are behind the table, but for sure keep that area between the mats clear.
Control the pace.
Gloves in. Arms up, keep that. Strong. You're on top. Scramble, scramble.
Scramble with it.
Belly wizard. Head up, head up, head up, head up. Belly wizard, kick your leg back.
Kick your leg back.
Leg back. Put your stomach, put your stomach, put your stomach.
Go to your stomach.
You're good, you're good. Hey, up to your feet. Don't let them throw your hands. Respect the hand, get the hand. Get the hand. Good. Nope, nope, just get up. Hey, just get up. Just get up. Head up. Get the hand, get the hand. Now build up. Now build up. Hey, draw.
Draw.
Flipper, flipper. Head in the hole. Swap. Double, double, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Cover, cover, cover.
Cover him.
No, just step back, step back, step back. Step back to your right, to your right, to your right.
Step to the right.
Right hand up.
Right,
hand
yes,
up.
yes.
Right hand up. Tripod, tripod, shake, tripod. Hey, just
Shake him.
tripod,
He's too high.
Too high. Hey, hey, Jalomo. You don't gotta reach back so much. Get up. Hey. Look at me.
Christian.
Hey. Hey, Steven. 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 Hey, smart, wrestle smart, wrestle smart.
Wrestle smart.
Step down, step strong. Keep your leg back. Hey, 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 hey. Hold. Head up. Circle.
Get behind him, get behind him.
Crossface. Crossface. Keep that bar, keep that bar.
Keep it.
Keep that bar. Out, out, out. Step over. Step over. Head up. Head up. Hold, head up.
Hold on.